Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you a smart way to level up your cards on Catizen. So this video is mainly for those of you participating in the Catizen Airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward. And for those of you that don't know what Catizen is and you want to participate in the campaign, I made a video on how you can participate in the Catizen Airdrop to stay positioned for some potential Catizen reward. So you are not late to it, you can still participate in it, which I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So for those of you that want to know how you can level up your cards on Catizen, those of you that have been playing Catizen for long, this video is for you and you are not late to this method. So for you to level up your Catizen, for those of you playing Catizen, for you to level up your Catizen, what you need to do is to buy auto clicker. So looking on the screen, you can see that I'm running two different Catizen accounts on my PC. So you need to get auto clicker, and for you to buy auto clicker, if you click on this auto, so you're going to see it, you click on this auto, then you're going to see an option for you to buy auto clicker. If you click on it, you can see different method by which you can buy auto clicker. So I think auto clicker is what, 13 point something dollar. So you can use Tone, you can use Star, you can use Notcoin, you can use USDT under the Tone ecosystem to buy the auto clicker. Then if you, after buying the auto clicker, what you need to get a PC and you need constant electricity. So you need constant electricity so that you can leave your PC on 24/7, so depending on the area you are living. So after that, make sure to get Telegram on your PC, then just activate the Catizen. Make sure you have mobile network that you can use in operating this, then leave the auto clicker, it is going to work for you. So these are my account on Catizen. I used this method on the 3rd of July, and then I was at level, I think I was at level 26. So I started this method because where I'm living there is light 24/7. So I started the method, bought some mobile data, then the auto clicker is working, then I started using this method. So my first account I'm at level 108, while my second account I'm at level 88, and the target for Catizen is level 100 above. So I'm hoping to get to level 200, or it's still going to take a while to reach that level. If Catizen are not going to launch this month, surely I will reach level 100. So if you buy the auto clicker, it's going to do everything for you. Yours is to just leave your PC and you can perform other activities. So if you are using maybe a company PC, you can just activate it, then just buy auto clicker, then leave it 24/7. It's going to be working fine for you if your electricity is constant. Even if you are not staying in a place where the electricity is constant, anytime there is light, you can just on your PC, connect it to a mobile network, then it's going to work fine for you. So auto clicker is good, you just leave it. Apart from the auto clicker, I did not spend any dime on Catizen. Well, I made some transaction like daily check-in using Tone. I made some transaction daily check-in using claiming page 24, then Excel, 24 shells, something like that. So apart from that, I did not spend any time like buying fish, but a lot of people are saying they bought fish for $100 and US, but I just spent only approximately $14 fish for just auto clicker. I'm currently at level 108. So you can buy fish to level up. If you buy fish, you can use it to level up, but you need to spend massively to level up. But if you use this method in 1 month, if Catizen are not going to launch this month because they were to launch last month, but due to some market condition they have postponed it to further notice. So if Catizen are not going to launch this month, surely if you have constant electricity, you will surely pass level 100. So this is the method I'm using to participate in the Catizen Airdrop campaign. Well, I'm running another account which I did not buy auto clicker, and I'm currently at level 21 for that account. So guys, this is a smart way for you to level up your cards on Catizen. So for those of you that don't know how to start, you can watch this video which I'm going to drop at the description of this video. And what you should know is that it's not a must you buy auto clicker. If you know you're someone that have time for you to be merging, well, you can continue doing that. But if you want to get quickly to level 100, level 50 above, you can just buy auto clicker. Make sure you have a PC, make sure you have constant electricity and good internet network, then you can participate using this method. All right guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.